The next step on our list is to add a mega menu on our store. Mega menus are a great way to list all of your products and collections in a single menu. This will make the store navigation much easier for your customers. But before we do that, we'll need to create and structure our menu. To do that, we'll need to go to the navigation option on the left. Next, go to the main menu option. Right now, we have 3 options on the menu. I want to add the mega menu under the catalog option. I will list out different collections in this menu. But first, take a look at the image on your screen. This is what a mega menu actually looks like. This simple-looking mega menu has 3 levels. First up is the main menu, which contains Home, About Us, Project, Services, and Solutions options. Under Solution, we have the mega menu, which contains 4 categories. This is the second level of the menu. Lastly, we have 5 subcategories under each category. This is the third level of the menu. I will show you how to create a simple mega menu like this. Alright, now that everything is clear, let's go back to the dashboard. Here, I will click on Add Menu Item option. I will name it Trendy Shoes for now. Since it will be the second level of the menu, I will add the homepage link here, and then click on this Add button. Next, I will drag and drop this Trendy Shoes option under the catalog. And now, it is basically a category under catalog. And just like the sample menu that I showed you earlier, I will add 3 or 4 categories under the catalog. Once it's done, we need to create subcategories under each category. This is where we need to add the links to our product collections. For example, I have added this Adidas collection link here, and I will rename this as Adidas. And then I will add this on the menu. Next, I will drag and drop it under the Trendy Shoes category, which means that it is basically a subcategory of the Trendy Shoes category. And we need to repeat the same process until all the menu items are added to this page. Once we add all the menu items, it will look something like this. First up, we have the first level of the menu. It contains homepage, catalog, and contact page links. Next, we have 4 categories under the catalog option. These are the second level of the menu. Lastly, we've added 4 subcategories under each category. This is the third level of the menu. Okay, now we will go back to the theme option, and then I will click on this View Store button to check my menu. As you can see, all the categories and subcategories are added in this menu. However, this is not looking attractive. In fact, it is nothing similar to the mega menu I showed you earlier. Now, to customize this menu, I will head back to the dashboard and then click on this Customize button. This will take me to the Shopify editor. Now, on the left-hand side, under the header navigation, you'll see these options. You'll see the option of this mega menu style 1, 2, 4, and more. I will click on this mega menu style 1 option. Here, you'll see a lot of editing options. But the most important one is this mega menu item. Since I have arranged the mega menu under the catalog option, I will need to type catalog here. And now if I hover over the catalog option, you'll see that the mega menu is active now, and all the options are showing in the right order. That's how simple it is to set up a mega menu in the Ella theme. Ella theme offers 5 different mega menu styles. Some of them contain banners and multiple images too. For example, let's say I choose the mega menu style number 2. Here, I need to enter the menu item like last time, so I will type catalog here. But if we look at the mega menu, you'll see that there is still some space left here for the banners. When you scroll down, you'll see these first banner and second banner options. You can upload your banner here, which will then be visible to this mega menu. And we have 5 different styles of mega menu in the Ella theme. So feel free to play around with every mega menu style and choose the one that fits with your needs. By the way, you may have already noticed this label which is blinking here. Ella theme offers this feature, which allows you to add different labels to different menu items. On the left settings, under header navigation, you'll see this main menu option. You can add these labels from here. But first, do you remember when I told you about the menu levels? Well, the first menu that you are seeing on your screen right now is the first level of the menu. You can call it the level 1 menu. Next, under the catalog, you'll see these 4 categories. These are level 2 of the menu. Lastly, we have 4 subcategories under each category. These are level 3 of the menu. Now, on the left settings, you'll be able to apply the label based on these levels that I mentioned just now. By default, Ella Theme offers a menu highlight option and 3 labels. The 3 labels are new, sale, and hot labels. You can check them on the left settings. We have the new label here. When you scroll down, you'll also see the sale label, and lastly, we have the hot label as well. Under each label, we have 3 menu levels. You only need to type the menu item name, and the label will be applied automatically. For example, you can see that there is this hot label appearing on the men's collection. That's simply because there are some dummy texts added here under hot label. I will select this entire text and then delete it. And now, if you check the menu, you'll see that the label is gone. Now, if I enter any of the level 3 menu item on this section, you'll see that the label is applied once again. Okay, now let's say that I want to add the hot label to this contact option. So, under hot label, I will type contact in this menu level 1 item, and the hot label will be applied on this contact option. That's how easy it is to add the labels. Just like this, we can apply the sale label too. Let's say I want to add the sale label on this catalog option. So, on the left settings, under sales label, I will type catalog in the menu level 1 item, and you can see that the sale label is applied here. To add the label to the subcategory, add their name under level 3 menu items. I know that this might sound a bit confusing, but make sure to give it a try. Because once you understand this, you'll be able to easily set up these labels based on your needs. Alright, we've successfully added the Megamenu on our store, which means that the 6th step of our checklist is also complete. By the way, I have already created a detailed tutorial on how to set up a branded Shopify store using the Ella theme in just 30 minutes. So, if you are interested, simply click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.